In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the screen on an iPhone 14. As you guys can see, the screen is cracked right here, and the back is actually cracked too. I'm going to be making a separate video for these. The new models, specifically like the iPhone 14s, 14 Plus, 15s, you don't need a laser machine to replace the back on these anymore. But maybe that'll be the next video that I put out after the screen repair on this phone. Alright, so here's going to be the new screen that I'm going to use. The display screen. It's a soft OLED screen. And I'm going to be opening up the screen using this machine that I have right here. So let's get to it. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take out the bottom two screws, just how it is on all iPhones. And then I'm going to place this phone right into this machine. As you see right here, we have our iPhone screen opening machine. I don't exactly know what this is specifically called, like the proper term. It's just a little nice machine that helps making repairs. So as you can see, this is set to 65 degrees Celsius. The way that this machine works is this metal piece right here is actually 65 degrees Celsius, so it's pretty hot. And that will make the metal frame right here warm, which will make this area heat up, which will then help loosen up the adhesive so the screen will come out of the phone. So we'll just leave this here for a few minutes and then I'll be back. Alright, so it's been a few minutes now and I can feel that the phone is getting kind of hot now. So what I'm going to do is grab some alcohol that I placed in here, just regular alcohol. I bought this at CVS, and I'm going to drip the alcohol in between the glass and the metal frame, so we can get it to try to seep down into the crack. We'll just go all the way around the phone. Just like that. And then I'll show you how to use this little machine. So this is a suction cup right here, and this thing actually slides up and down. And then we'll put it here, kind of towards the bottom. I'm gonna lower this thing right here, go the other way around till it hits the glass. Alright, so then we'll just push onto it and then hit the lever, and then when we twist it the other way, it'll start to raise. See? Oh, the screen is actually already going up. You see right here? There it is, and we go on the other side. See that? Wow. Okay. So we'll put it some more. There it is. That actually came up pretty easy. Probably because it was already loose in this area. So let's click this like this. Let's unhook this suction cup off this glass right here. Lift it like that, and then this will come out like this. As you see, wow, this, I mean, it's all original Apple. Okay, so let me take this out here. And the reason why I actually use this machine is because, as you can see, this is a authentic Apple screen, and I'm gonna keep the screen because you can send these out to get refurbished. See, Apple original, has the Apple logos right there, and yeah, let's turn the phone off. Let's turn the phone off. Power it off. All right, and then the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our screwdriver and just take out these two screws. There's one right here, and there's one right here. So we're gonna take out these shields right here. So this phone repair for iPhone 14 is actually not that hard to do. I mean, of course, I have a machine that helps you, right? But there we go. So I have that screw with that shield, that one with that, and then we will just unplug. Here, let me get this one first. And then I'll just unhook this one. There we go. Let me get this machine out of the way. All right, so now I got the machine out of the way, and I went to go pick this up, and I was wondering why this screen came out so easy. And then I can see, if I look closely, it looks like some of the dust or something got in there, inside the screen, right here on the water resistance adhesive, and that's probably why it's not really sticking much anymore. But I'm gonna replace this water resistance adhesive, I think that's what it's called. But anyways, okay, so here's gonna be the whole game plan. This is gonna be the new screen. This is the old one. So all we're gonna do is we're just gonna transfer what you see up here onto here, and then put the phone back together. All right, so the way we're gonna do that is we're gonna take out this little metal shield. Have one little baby screw right here, and then another little baby screw right there. And then we'll take that out. All right, so the way that we're gonna transfer this is we're gonna blow some heat on this side, and then watch my technique that I use to get this out from here, because you don't want to, you know, tear this cable in any way, right? So I'll grab my heat gun and I'll just blow heat on this side. A heat mat works just fine, but I use heat because it just works faster. I'm gonna grab my tool like this, and I'm gonna go underneath right here. Like this. You see that came up. Then I'm gonna grab it right here. I'm gonna lift up, and then I'll grab my other tool, kind of flip the screen around, then I'll get underneath the cable. Let's see. Let me blow some heat under here. There we go, I got it out. There it is. There's the cable. As you can see, this is the old screen. We don't need this anymore. I'm actually gonna save this how I said, because people will come around to your location, your office, your coffee shop, or wherever. They'll give you a call. If they see your business listed online, they'll contact you and they'll want to buy your old cracked screens. People will just find you. Usually it's people, I'm in San Diego, but usually it's people from LA that drive down once a month, or they come in with cash and they just buy your old cracked screens. Let me get this like wrapper off. All right, and we're gonna grab this and we're going to place it where it needs to go. It goes there. That goes there. And then that goes just like that. All right, so I'm gonna throw the little metal shield on here with the 2 screws. And there's a little like hook on it, on this little metal thing that goes in like this. There we go. There we go. And put the 2 screws. All right, so like I said, I'm going to replace this water resistance adhesive here. I'll just grab like a flathead screwdriver and then I'll just kind of dig it out. Alright, so I got the majority of the adhesive out, and I'm just gonna get a rag and just kind of clean this up with some alcohol around the inside edge. Alright, look at all this balled up adhesive. So I just need that screw, and all this other stuff. Alright, so I'm going to get the adhesive and then apply it in here. Alright, so I'm going to put the screen in now, and then I'm going to take the rest of this adhesive off. So here's the new screen. We're going to plug them in, put the shields on, and then turn on the phone. Alright, so turn the phone on. We're going to take this adhesive out, remaining adhesive. Go like that. Alright, as we see, let's put the screen back into the phone. Start at the top and then pinch all the way down. Alright, so I ran into a little issue trying to close it at the end, and I saw that one of the tabs was kind of bent. That's why it was not going in, so it seems like this one is off. So I gotta bend it back a little bit. I think that'll do it. Alright, I got it now. So yeah, the freaking tab was bent in there. I got a suction cup, I lifted it back up, and and yeah, it's in there flush, as you can see. All right, so we're gonna put the final two screws in here. As you can see, sometimes we run into problems, but I'm a problem solver, right? As a small business owner, that's what you do. Don't forget to watch the follow-up repair with the back glass. I'm gonna show you guys that. I'm probably just gonna record it right now, and I'll probably upload it probably the day after uploading this video. If any of you guys are interested, I do have a cell phone repair course and a community. If you guys are interested in that, go ahead and check the link in the description below the video. And with that, everybody, I'll see you guys on the next video.